So a tech stack is all of the software that a company uses in order to get their processes and their work going. Anything that they need, from a simple Gmail account, that's part of your tech stack.
It's whatever technology you can use to support your business. I very much see technology as an enabler and a support of your business and your processes.
The cost of working in the cloud is not expensive if you're wise about it, if you think about it, if you plan it. And then as you grow, the amount of space that you need in the cloud grows with you.
Really good thing is there's so many free apps and free solutions and free licenses out there. And because it's such a competitive space, the free options are really competitive, especially in some of the key solutions where there are multiple players. I've not come across a business that's so unique that they can't run something in the cloud. It's not finding that one app that does everything your business does it exactly as you want it to do. It's finding those specific apps that have the functionality and features that you need, that do it, if not exactly as you would like to do it, or very closely, and then potentially connecting them together to build an app stack, build an environment that supports your business across the value chain, or across the life cycle, or the processes, or the steps in your business that you use to serve clients.
If we haven't found the right app for you, we'll find an app that works.